Hi, I'm Nick from the Carpet Guys. I'm here with Chance in St. Clair Shores. Our installer just finished installing those laminate floors, rear vantage, knotted chestnut in his living room and hallway. And Chance, how'd you hear about the Carpet Guys?
I heard it through TV, and I had a friend who got it installed a while back, and they did. Thought I'd give them a try. This is actually my second time around, and they did a fantastic job. I'm really happy with the work.
All right, great. How was your design consultant, Nick Thomas?
He was awesome. He was spot on. He was really relatable. They got along with my dogs, so it was pretty awesome.
Awesome. And what made you pick those beautiful floors?
I think it flowed well with the walls and the previous work, and then I actually did a work room on myself, and it worked out great.
All right, and how was your installers, Dave and his son?
David and Steven, they were awesome. They were real relatable, just like Nick. They did a good job. Any questions I had, they answered nice and easily. No problems. They did a fantastic job, though.
Great. One last question. Would you refer us to your friends and family?
Yes, I would. I actually already have.
Okay.
And hopefully they'll be getting some flooring from you guys.
Well, no problem. We got a nice referral program. You get a gift card from us all the way up to $250. So thank you very much, and welcome to the Carpet Guys family. You have a great day.